Guys, Philippe CyberBikes here, and I have to show you something amazing, unbelievable. I'm extremely happy because we just finished the biggest BMX in the world. This is a monster quad 29 inches wheel converted to electric with a 750 watts motor overvolted. So originally the motor runs with 48 volts and we are running this motor with 52 volts. Amazing. Massive wheels, 29 inches wheels. 180 millimeters disc brake with a Shimano hydraulic brake system. This is an upgrade we recommended the customer because originally it was a brake cable, so it was a mechanical brake activated caliper. Right now it's hydraulic. Right, we installed the throttle on the right hand because there is no gear shifting. It's a single speed bike. I'm gonna go down there. On the left lever, which is the rear brake, we installed the Bafang lever with integrated brake cutoff, a colorful display configured, so the time, date, maximum power, so this wattage range here is proper set right. We also set properly the wheel diameter. Then we have a battery pack, 52 volts, 10 amp hour. Here we have a 750 watts Bafang motor properly installed. You can see the spacers, you know, this plate bending in as it should be. The rear brake has been tightened. We double check the tension of the chain and the sprocket, crank it up the sprocket. We also have a tail light integrated to the main battery. And here we had to be very wise because a bigger chain ring would compromise the bike when taking off, and also it would kind of start to touch the chainstay of the bike. Another thing that I thought when imagining, when creating this project, is that because this bike is a single speed, there's no way to vary the rotation of the rear wheel between torque and maximum speed. So what I decided to go with a 52 volts battery to allow this bike to have higher top speed in comparison to running it with 48 volts. So this is the end result. It's a monster bike, amazing, with front light integrated. I cannot wait for the handover to the customer. Right, so if you enjoy, give us a thumbs like, subscribe to our channel, and cheers from CyberBikes. See you soon in the next video. Bye.